Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. These cards are for your relationship, guys, and these cards are for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance, guys. So that will be a general guidance. I will leave it here. We will see what it is after this reading, guys. So let's start with the general energy. Scorpios, we have King of Swords, King of Wands in reverse, and Knight of Wands. So in your situation today, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your career situation or personal life. You are someone who is really skilled, talented, and you're ready for action, ready to jump into action, make those changes in your life today. And you are someone dedicated, willing, and you are in an important position in life, in your career or in your personal life. You are someone making important decisions today, guys, and you are someone who is really experienced, wise, and you make the right choices, and you have firm belief and ideals, and you stand by those beliefs, and you have a particular way of dealing your situation, and you stick to your rules, whatever it is, and you do things in your own way. And people around you, maybe in your work, your colleagues or people in your family, they may see you as a very strict and severe person, rigid, not not obliging anyone's suggestions, and you want people to listen to you, but you never listen to others. So some kind of you are someone stubborn. That is also what I see, guys. And today, for some of you guys, there is some kind of a move. Maybe you are moving to a different place, a city for work, or you are changing your residence, or this person you love, they are changing their residence. So some kind of a journey or a move to a different place is what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, very rarely, this person you love, they may be leaving you, guys, or they are thinking of leaving you. Maybe they are quite stressed. So that may be the reason, guys. Or maybe they are moving away from you for work, or they have something else. Maybe they are something else in their mind. That may be the reason for them leaving you, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship, guys. That will give us more clarity. So we have Sun in reverse, High Priestess, and Nine of Swords. So with these cards, guys, something is making you sleepless in this relationship, guys. You are maybe seeing a lot of disappointments with this person you love. You had a beautiful relationship in the beginning, guys, but today what you have between you is only disappointment and troubles. And maybe you know what this person is right now, and that may be the reason for disappointments. So you know the truth. That is what is pushing you into this situation, guys. So you know their past, all their secrets, whatever it is, the mystery of this person is being revealed, and you are sad because you have that clarity that this person is so and so, and it is not matching up to your expectations. So you have disappointments in your heart. But maybe for some of you, this situation may resolve, guys, because we have this card, though this card is in reverse. It's a very positive card. So your situation may change for some of you guys, and you may find that understanding again with this person if you have true love with them. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have Nine of Cups, the Fool in reverse, and Wheels of Fortune. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, you are going to be happy. Luck is working, luck is on your side, and you are having that emotional satisfaction, contentment and joy in your career situation, guys. Things are going in a very positive way for y'all. You may be seeing some new offers, opportunities coming in your situation, guys, and you are really happy and you feel relieved of all the care. Maybe you have lot of burdens and you were working hard trying to reach some goals or aspirations, whatever it is, but today you feel relieved because of the way things are going in your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance, the angel oracle guidance. It is Greet the Dawn. Such a positive card here, guys. So it just means that each and every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys, with a clean state. Forget what happened yesterday. And today we have a new chance to do things differently. And a new day is an invitation to see that light of love and beauty in the world and the way it touches us and all the people in our life. And you don't have to do your, you don't have to take on the world, compete with the world. You just need to do your best in the most possible way you can. So you need not force anything, you just have to allow it to happen and have that sense of gratitude and acceptance for the gifts and challenges this new day is bringing. So that way you will be seeing the way you are is totally changing. You will have that freshness in your mind and heart, and you will feel so energetic and confident, guys, Scorpios. So that is the energy, that is the angel oracle guidance for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.